What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
So my phone, I dropped it on concrete on the sidewalk and the screen broke, and the battery also just kind of like, it's a little messed up, I'm pretty sure. And not to mention that this also fell in water, and it's still okay, but still there's so many glitches happening and I can't really tie it.
Don't worry, I got you.
Good boy.
Lazy?
Oh,
Okay, there we go.
You got it, Nico?
I told you.
Your phone is ready, miss. Now.
Oh my god! This looks really good. You fixed it!
It's like a brand new, right?
Yeah.
Right, Nico?
This is incredible! It even works. Can I try? Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You.
Send it.
You see? We got the phone.
It's amazing, right?
Say hi, say hi.
We got it. You see? Look.
Can I message?
You see, Nico? We got it.
Let me text someone. Let me text someone.
Yes.
So excited.
Just a couple
You
minutes.
see, Nico? Look.
Let me text
The
someone.
phone got fixed
It's such a
now.
good job, guys.
Yeah. You see?
Nico wants to
You
see.
see now it works.
Can I try? Let me try now.
I'm not trying to get